Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can contact Amazon customer service via phone or a chat. Okay, so first thing you want to do, guys, you want to just log in into your Amazon. As you can see, I'm going to do that right now. By the way, you can do the exact same steps on your phone. Okay, so after you are on your Amazon account here, you want to scroll down at the very bottom here where it says help. As you can see, let us help you. You want to click here on help at the bottom here. You can find this at the bottom. Click on help. Okay, after, guys, you click on help, you just need to give them the reason what you need help with. Okay, so for example, if you want as you can see, what would you like help with today, you can, for example, like login, address security, or like anything like that. If you don't have the reason here, you want to click on something else. Okay, so after that, you will ask you, guys, pick what you need help with. If you cannot find anything that you need help with, then you want to click on I need more help. After, guys, you click on I need more help, then they will ask you, guys, you can either request a phone call or chat with them. Okay, so if you want to request a phone call, just click on request call here, and you will have to add here your phone number, and then they will call you, guys. I would say, like, from my experience, within a few hours. Okay, a few minutes, sometimes a few minutes. Here, if you want to chat, you can just click on start chatting, and you can then start chatting with like a customer service, their customer service, as you can see here, like a real person. Okay, so as you can see, you are in the right place for a customer service support. Incorrect info can cause me to repeat questions to get you to the wrong solution. Okay, so like I said, if you want to request a phone call, just click on here, request a call. That's it. Okay, hopefully this one helped you. If it does, leave a like, and see you guys in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. By the way, ask me any question, I reply to everyone. See you guys next